I'm standing by the actual flight suit worn by Marine Corps helicopter pilot Jim Lewis. On July 21, 1961, Lewis, wearing this suit, was hovering 300 miles off the coast of Florida, waiting anxiously for the arrival of Gus Grissom and his spacecraft, Liberty Bell 7. As the capsule descended, Lewis's helicopter and two others began moving in for the pickup. Lewis's assignment was to lift the spacecraft and return it to the carrier, the USS Randolph. Problems cropped up almost immediately. Gus Grissom took a bit longer to complete his post-landing procedures, and, after the hatch door blew prematurely, Liberty Bell began to fill with water. Once Grissom was clear of Liberty Bell 7, Jim Lewis began hoisting the spacecraft, made much heavier now by the water inside of it. Lewis pulled as hard as he could for nearly 5 minutes, but after his gauges showed he was in danger of losing his helicopter to the turbulent sea, he declared an emergency and released the cable holding Liberty Bell. He and his crew made it safely back to the Randolph as Liberty Bell sunk to the bottom of the ocean. Liberty Bell was raised from the depths of the Atlantic on July 20, 1999, almost 40 years later. Former pilot Jim Lewis was able to witness the recovery of Liberty Bell 7. The spacecraft went through an extensive conservation right here at the Cosmosphere and is now part of the Cosmosphere's collection.